Yeah, it's time to get off.
Cause it's been a while. It's been like
All
a
up
whole
here is
day
all my
since I stopped.
junk.
So you could hold me. This
And then
child
I'm
away.
folding up my pajamas
Strong in
and making my bed.
Lord, you rather I feel.
The sheets
But I
will stay
can't
on
wait to
them.
get to.
But every morning when you get up, even if it's time for your co-driver to go to back to bed, and you getting up and vice versa, make your bed. If you don't do nothing else, make your bed. You can never finish nothing. I'm telling you, I got so much to do because I make my bed. It's a mess right now, but I'm fixing to make it. Fold your pajamas and put them up. Don't just throw them on the floor. Be clean. You can't see me, can you? Ooh, Bitcoins went up a whole $1 or 1%. Here he comes. I'm trying to make the bed. He gonna come in here and mess it up. What are you doing? I'm trying to make the bed.
I went to take shit.
You went to shh. We're live.
Oh, I haven't done it in about a week.
Well, I'm making a bed. Did you get you some coffee?
I did.
Good morning, sunshine. You've been in the bed for 3 days. Love you.
I don't remember.
Look
3
at that. Tell somebody you love them today.
I don't remember the 3
They
days.
used to call us the honeymooners. But then they forgot about us.